You want to say I enter or not? Say yes, say yes. Ah, okay, let's go. Let's go meet my best friend here. Let's go. First time entering here. Oh. Push, push, brother, push. Hello, Vic, how are you? Good, yeah.
Okay, welcome to Gaming World. Ni Ridzwan.
Wow, it's huge here. Yes, it's huge.
So, main ni daripada mana?
From Kulim. Guys, we are finally entering this premise. This is the cyber cafe that I talking to you guys, okay? This is my best friend, Shafiq, from the university. You know, we're having a lot of fun at KL, but rather not to talk it here lah because it's not KL, okay, right? So guys, okay, congrats to you.
Okay, thank you.
For the grand opening here.
Okay.
So you guys, if you want to play gaming, you can play PUBG or whatsoever, FIFA. You need to come here to check. The internet speed is
362 Mbps per second.
yes. You can imagine if you upload like 4K 1 hour video, it's like sorry, I left-handed, okay. Oh god, this looks amazing.
Oh,
I never seen like this modern cyber cafe. Oh god, amazing. You not Jack today, brother? After this, I will enter the cyber cafe because I'm very surprised. Okay, we also can have the tissue here. Yeah, sometimes if you are losing gaming, you know, you have a lot of gear, you can choose whatever color you want here, right?
Okay, welcome to Blizzard Infinity. Okay, we are now located at Kepala Batas, Bertaminda. So all the Penang Knights can come play game at this place, and we have a lot of PC games, also like PUBG and Online, Dota and LOL. And we also have a PS4 service, and we have of the custom PC, custom build PC. So come and enjoy play here.
Sorry. Guys, you need to check this out. Today is the grand opening. It's Friday. 1 hour, only 2 ringgit, brother. And then 2 hours for 3 ringgit. I translate for you guys lah. If you guys don't know. And 3 hours, only 4 ringgit. Okay. At Blizzard Infinity. You can follow their Instagram. I will put the link down below. Down. Why you fall off? Go. Guys, my friend said we can try their PC. So we need to check their spec. Is it okay or not? Okay. Wait, you falling off? No. I'm falling off because we want to have a nice gaming PC there. Okay, we need to check that first, okay? It's time for time lapse. Time lapse. cafe. Okay, you can see the seat. The seat's like, okay, the racing bucket seat car. Wow, I'm very interested. We can have a nice gaming experience here. Wow, as you can see now, the colorful headphone, the colorful keyboard panel, and then the colorful mouse. Wow, it's very stunning here. It's very stunning. I think we need to store this two seat and then put it in another car. I'm just kidding. So, if you are your friends getting mad, guys, I want to sit on this chair. Please don't be jealous. I know you are starving for a cyber cafe right now. Shh. Shh. Please, shut up. Shut up. The chair is heavy and it is light. Boom, boom. Brr, brr. Oh, sorry. Oh God, I'm in cyber cafe, not in a car. Oh, sorry. I'm in cyber cafe. What the heck? Okay. Yes, I'm trying to sit. This chair is heavy. Yes, this chair is heavy. Oh my God. Oh, the seat experience is. Oh God. Oh, I can feel the G-force in the pool. Oh. This is like the seat at the mall. The urut seat. How you call English apa tu? Urut seat. Massage chair. Massage chair. Oh. Let's crack this. As you can see now, this mouse Tech. Okay, 3200 decimeter per intake gaming mouse. Wow. Oh God, I start shaking again. I'm too aggressive now because I'm surprised. Oh. Why are you talking so slow, brother? Yes. Okay. See my face lah. You recording that? Why? Hey, as you can see now, this is a OLED screen. Okay, the bending screen. The bending screen. Curve. You laugh at me again? No. You laugh at me. Yes. And then we have fan technology. Keyboard here, colorful. Wow, this is very good for my gaming experience. Shafiq, if you view video, you know I'm stuck at PC gaming. I'm sorry to say, but I'm console gamer. But you give us to try. Brother, this you video. Talk too slow. I whispering now. Whispering. This one because he's over there. If you see this video, I very suck at gaming, you know. I very suck. Yes. I very suck. Brother, what are you doing? Sit down. Please don't ask me. Okay, please don't ask me. I'm very agile now. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm still here at Infinity Cyber Cafe. Now I want to show you how to subscribe to my channel and my brother's channel. Okay. First you need to log in your account here, and then you search my name here. Just search my name here. You open my channel. See, this is me. Yes. Open. You can see all the update video here. Please click subscribe and click the bell button.
What the fuck?
So you won't miss anything, okay? Anything. And then I want to show you how to subscribe to my brother's channel, okay? So you need to click message hello TD oh option open this channel. He already have 268 subscribers. Please click subscribe and click that bell button. So easy. This PC is super fast, you know. Ada.
Seriously, I'm still trying to clicking to Gmail to subscribe to my own channel.
Subscribe to your own channel.
You laughing at me right now because you don't know my feelings right now. This is sexy girl. Okay, this is sexy girl. Oh god, I still feel sleepy right now. But this sexy girl, okay, flash my eye. But it's only a cartoon. If a real person, oh god, I'm confirming. So you know this guy? This guy called Trevor. He's good at aeroplane, at ship, airship, aircraft. What another else? Stair, helicopter, aeroplane. Why? You know something? You need to be fun at least once in your life. If you're not fun, your life will be sad. Tum 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 da 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 da.
Guys, I need to tell you guys something. Sometime in life, you need to enjoy gaming to release your tension and do different from the others, okay?
Who say that gaming can release your stress? I think gaming is stressor than you sit and don't do anything. Because gaming sometimes you will lose. Oh god. As you can see now, this is the Windows Task Manager for this PC. Okay, this PC have 8 GB of RAM. Now I'm running GTA 5 and then it's using about 3.73 GB. Okay, I still have free about 1.8 GB RAM. Okay, this is good because the gameplay is still smooth. Okay, and then the CPU usage are not too high. Okay, it's still in the bottom. It's still in the bottom area. I'm running for the GTA 5 now. I'm running for the GTA 5, and my brother is running the rules of survival.
Cheers. Cheers.
My brother looks stressed right now. He's entered the game. Okay.
Let me see.
And I'm still in this section. So my brother now experiencing the rules on survival in this
This is
PC.
not my account. This is not.
But this is not
Sometime in life.
his account.
Sometime in life.
The graphic is so good, brother. How? It's so good or not? Do not tell me anything. What you are doing now?
Yeah. Foto apa? Boleh. Boleh. Foto apa? Boleh.
This guy is crazy. He's running, but
Ansap the PC brother.
his body not standing well. I think the backbone now is cracked. It's been like an octopus.